Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So if you ever wondered, once you've gotten started with government, where do you find the bids that are really going to work for you? I get a lot of phone calls on people that say, okay, can I really do this? Can I really find a bid? They've got the SAM and all that down pat, but they really don't feel they're going to find a bid. Most times they don't have anyone but themselves, don't have a lot of money, and they don't know if they need insurance. So there's a couple of Q&As we're going to do, questions and answers, on a lot of the questions I receive on finding a bid and really does this work. So number one, yes, this does work. It worked for me, and you've probably seen a couple of videos of people that it has worked for. They've been in the same situation, just them, no type of capital set aside for their business. And now they want to know, do they need to have all the insurance and everything before they get started? And the answer is no. You do not need to have all of the insurance when it comes to general liability, or it may be some bonding that you need, or it may be workman's comp. You do not need that in most bids for getting started until you have been awarded the contract. So I'm going to repeat that. You do not need all of that in most bids before you're awarded the contract. So that's number one. The second question I get a lot is where do I find the bids? So there are three types we're going to look at. We're looking at a local bid, a state bid, and a federal. Now, there are a whole lot of places you can go and actually find a bid. Absolutely. But I'm going to give you what you can do to find a free bid. And then if you want to use a platform that you pay for, one of the best ones I would suggest. Number one, if you're looking to do a free bid, then you can definitely go on sam.gov, the same place you go register for SAMs to get started doing all your basic registrations. And then you go in and you can look under contact opportunities, and you're logged in. You have to be signed in order to do it. You simply go to that particular area called contract opportunities, and it's going to list all kinds of bids. Now you're going to use the filters to go into where your area, you can put in place of performance. But this is where you can go to find free federal bids. They're free and they're federal. If you're looking to find free state and local bids, you want to register with EMarketplace and then put in your state. EMarketplace of Pennsylvania, EMarketplace of Florida. It's going to bring up a procurement site. Normally, procurement is the same as contracting for your state. They're normally going to be local and, statewide, and there may be some local depending on where you are. So local, like 20, 30 minutes away from where you are. So EMarketplace, and then your state. So EMarketplace Florida, EMarketplace Pennsylvania, EMarketplace Georgia. You get the point. The last, and these are free as well. Now you're going to have to go through registering because they want you to register with the state. You're going to have to be registered to do business with that state. So you can't be all everywhere with the EMarketplace unless you're registered in different states, which may be something you look into if you don't have a lot of opportunities near you. The next thing you can do, it's called Demandstar. Demandstar.com. Make sure I'm saying it correctly. Yes, it is Demandstar.com. I've used them before. They're fantastic. It's free as well. This is another platform that you can use when it comes to finding bids local and state. You're going to register. You're going to go into the website, and it's going to say for business or for government. Choose for government. And this is going to give you the next steps. Register for it. I've seen a lot of people go in a lot of walkthroughs and a lot of bidding for the government. So these are some things you can do that are absolutely free. Now, if you want one that has federal, state, and local all together, then the one that we personally use is bidsearch.com, bidsearch.com. It's around $29. if you're just looking for one state in your area. It goes up from there depending on what you want. If you want all 50 states, local and state, then it's going to provide that for you. I absolutely love bid search. It lets me put in any filter I want. I can go out as far as I want. It gives me all the file folders on all the bidding. I'm not, like doing I don't get any money or anything for them. I just like to give you what works for me. So if you're on an extremely tight budget, then go with the free Demandstar.com, EMarketplace in your state, and sam.gov. So now you've got things covered for bidding with the federal, local, and state. If you want them all together with a platform that's easy to read, not very expensive depending on your budget, then you can also try what I do, what our team does every single day, which is bidsearch.com. Now, hopefully that will get you in the direction of getting used to finding bids. The other thing I would do is make sure I put a filter. A lot of these you can put a filter on where they will notify you when there is a bid in the area or the type of bid you're looking for. So do not delay, get started, set that strategy up right now. It is a strategy that you want to set up when it comes to finding bids and getting the ball rolling. Now, if you want to learn more, then what can you do? You can actually come to my free workshop masterclass. It will be this Wednesday. Space is limited. We go over all of this. I actually show my screen, share with you how to do the bidding, how to find them, show you an actual bid that we have won, so you can see how simple it is on some of the RFQs, requests for quotes. That way you're not intimidated when it comes to doing all this with government. So if you want to learn all about the changes with SAMs, what you need to do to make sure you have that fantastic elevator pitch, introduction letters, all that and more, then sign up for the free workshop masterclass. I usually try to add something different in it once a week. So if you've been there before, maybe brand new to you again this time. Love to see you at the actual workshop masterclass. Space is limited, so click the link for a description, and I will look forward to seeing you there. Also, I'm going to cover all about that authorization letter that a lot of people are talking about. I'm going to have a template that's going to be on our Facebook group. Actually, on our Facebook group, we have a template for those authorized letters. So join our Facebook group if you are looking to have that template where you don't have to worry about the changes that they have in sam.gov, having to have an authorized letter or a notarized letter, and all of what that looks like. It's an actual notarized letter that you have to have, not authorized, notarized. And I have a template in there for you. Simply go to our Facebook group, and the description for our Facebook group, the link is in the description. Once again, I'd love to see you at the free masterclass workshop. Until next time, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.